Carcast!
Oh my god, I
For the
can't believe we're doing this in video.
For the first time, we have Flip.
Hi.
Hi, Flip.
Hi, Flip.
Tingog po niya, Flip.
Hello.
U-turn. Or pwede mga mulit sa diri. Actually, di ko katultol. Padong na yun sa... Padong na yun somewhere in Mandaue.
Kung siya kaandam sa fast movement sa vehicle.
We're adjusting. Basta mo na ni siya.
Jules, when did you have this car? Pag no?
Diliwin, dugay na ni. Hindi lang ni pirmi gamiton.
Ah, okay.
Nako. Pero dugay na ni. Pero mas dugay itong orange.
Orange na yung gamit. Before.
Okay.
Nagyapon nun. Ang orange. Basically, I can drive either. Di man siya. Di na ko exclusive to that car. So, depende sa...
So we're in a new car, guys. In the Carcast.
Sa mukha sa new car eh. Hindi siya new. Anyway.
So no, soryan. Haircut mo na ka.
New haircut.
New car, new
hair.
Carcast after a long time, and new hair. And we're going to the new Access Way in IT Park. Kasi tawag rin nga road, V. Badrigo Street.
Anyway, nanay bagong giyaanan going to... Sorry if I don't stare at the...
Okay na. Wala mong giwag nagtanong.
I'm telling the audience. Sorry if I
Can
don't
we do
stare at...
left turn here?
Neta. UCC mo katak.
Ay, asa ba di ang... Alayo na ba?
Mo right turn naman ko. I'm gonna pass.
Na data.
Oh.
Or...
Sa
Traffic man
Bonifacio
diri sa
District ba?
Banilid.
Lagi?
Bonifacio
District
And it's no left turn.
Alright,
So, okay.
Right way. Okay, Paduman Sykes.
Yeah, we're going to Sykes.
Actually, doon ka punto Sykes.
Di ba man dahil ni ko ano eh? Kuan naman dahil ni, di ba? For Talamban dahil ni.
Banilid, yeah.
Banelad. Pwede naman musud ang 13C dire. Using that road. So, gikan demi og Tropical Futures Forum
True
Westcon.
Fofo.
True Fofo.
It's a creative gathering of...
Gathering of creatives from all across the globe.
And mainly Cebu, to help Cebu creatives connect, create, and collaborate.
C3.
C3.
Charot.
That's their goal, to become C3.
Sa mukha. Ano? So,
Pero overwhelming siya, no? Sakto man pwede nga from carving to software development ang
scope
spectrum.
sa
Ang
sa
spectrum
creative.
here in Cebu.
Yep. Grabe kay ano.
Grabe kayo creative footprint, but it's kanang siloed lang siya ba?
Wala
Kanya. Okay. Wala gid dili ka relate ang graphics designer, kay mga illustrator, naslay lang on mga practices.
Yes.
And they insist.
Pero their speakers are mostly from outside the country, or at least outside Cebu.
Asa ba ilang venue karong September?
There.
Company.
Okay.
Just there.
Same place.
Same bad place.
Katong
September 13.
masud 150 dito. 50 katao masud.
Oh, 150.
If ko ano kang puro seats lang, katong wala table lang.
I
Kung
think so. And I don't think they'll do the traditional style siguro. Okay.
Yeah.
It's more of a forum, shorter
na-
talks than more.
Yeah, na-interested ko. At first, dili ko interested. Maybe it's just another conference. Diba? Like, yeah, when they said nga flat style, yeah, walay, di siya conference style.
Hindi man siya conference
Saan
style.
man na nila. Pero katong when they shared, katong when si Happy Garahe shared, katong mga unique models na pwede din na, no? Like katong sa AIM.
Yeah.
Na-interesado sa ko ito nga. They work with the academe.
Oh no. Yeah, they work with
the academe. Half their time is dedicated to the helping AIM's kanang clients or kanang businesses. And then the other half is just pure creative.
Kaya you have to keep in mind na the businesses to earn money, but also give the
Like freedom, creative freedom.
give them employees and
Explore their craft.
creative juices.
Is that the future of work?
We don't know. It has something
Siguro, no?
It has something to do with with the recent timings at sa freelancing.
And AI.
Mm,
AI is catching up with the
yeah.
freelancing.
Pwede ka mo siya ka-detect o Bisaya or the new one, it's still not
Maybe
really good.
maybe English.
Oh,
maybe
English siguro it's closer. But the rest kaya to take.
Because the most of the data it's in English.
Because it's done by American companies. Dun, dun,
But
dun.
once English is done, it's wala na. It's the muna na siyang template. It's just
Yeah.
replication. No?
Mm,
And it will
Pero-
become faster. Kaya
Oo.
muna na may template.
yeah. Pero mo lang, it has to be able to capture cultural nuances.
Ano? Dugay
Ano
pa ng
Yeah.
cultural
Okay, even
nuances.
even though English, pero lahi ba ang American English, British English,
na
Indian English, Philippine English. So, nagya pa yung cultural nuances na hindi ka pa siya dali. So, na siguro.
Siya to interviewhan si Bu Finest. Hilo mo si Bu Finest. Si Bu Finest, pila imong views? Pila imong ranking?
So to?
Ranking in the Philippines, no?
Kato, number
2?
do
Number
it?
six?
9? Kalimot ko.
No, sa overall vlogs 20.
Mm.
Pero sa travel and leisure number 7.
There.
Travel and leisure,
Mm,
si Bu Finest. Pero that data is from Alexa?
No, it's at Alexa.
It's from different kinds of analytics pero
Magki-combine na ba?
Magki-combine ba?
Mm.
Overall siya. Hindi
Yeah.
na katong
Combined data from different sources.
with SEO, with
Inana.
loading time and all that. Yeah,
Camera ang main competition yun sa Cebu Finest, like in terms of that scope ba? Okay, when in Manila.
in terms of like
Ang
Niche.
ang niche ba?
target.
When in Manila.
So kinsa may number 1?
I don't know.
Si number 1 Flip.
Not sure.
Imo ra i-ignore. I will be number 1 someday.
Number 1 someday. Char. Yeah.
Busog yung traffic.
Funny gito nag-record ng podcast ni Hanay.
Mapa ko ko spoil kay.
Yung
Hindi ko
pala
mas-
katubang kuan ba tropical
Futures.
features ba? The reason why nga nung nato din sa Cebu because even from the past ang mga creatives with Cebu kay more on furniture,
Okay, what that was mo na sige discuss po na siya kanina.
architecture niya. Wag yan pa move on ba nga na different
nga line.
medium of creatives.
Mm.
Kasi sila may ang na-organize.
O lagi kinama sila yung mga
Enterprise.
backup enterprise.
Ah.
Let's
Na
say
commercial viability.
no,
Naman po yung commercial viability ang ubang creative.
Pero-
It's not,
pero what's
proven
the
lang.
venue? What's
Not-
the venue to showcase their
and also not
art
recognized and because they are not recognized more key underestimate na po sila sa kuan sa kanang mga kanang common meme of graphic designers kay kuan pa-design ka and
Kung siguro
then
ni Big Bad Wolf.
pa-design ka and then libre or shut up.
Oh yeah, holiday pa jud ron.
Oh God.
Mo lagi
May panyagi gugan. Yes or to na. Mamorong story.
mga oras ya.
Traffic. Same bad. So we're experiencing traffic.
That's why we have a CarCast. Very well anticipated CarCast.
Like a year in kay weird gyapon nga maminaw sa self.
How many episodes na ka sa The Creator Life?
Third, by the time mugawas ang this week's episode, it will be 36.
Absent.
And that's the
absent ako.
And that's the full episode.
And I think I'm half, like 14, 15.
That's not including the bonus ones. And the mini-series I did when I was in Japan. Okay. Small experiment for the laws.
Ang akong podcast channel is weird kay you know it's podcast on the go because of the intro music.
Yeah.
Pero ang others is just like atong mga other random
Yeah.
stuff ako ba. Na ako lang i-extract audio
True.
or like alternative consumption kay.
I'm planning to interview some more sa C3 members, then some CFP. Then hopefully if pwede some sa
si Carlos
CBS.
sa CFB.
Nalabi siya laing group sa to eh. Sa taong nakitaan Cebu Live Show Vloggers.
ang member ng Jud ana ay si Jason naman yun.
Oo.
Kung wala siya, dili na siya
Yeah, siya
siya
mga Cebu Live Show Vloggers.
Dili na siya live show.
Moment ako nagka-boring ako.
Kalimot ko ingon niya ganina na
Unsa ba?
Di ba katong niingon to si katong DTI representative nga when she came back from Israel nga yung lesson learned is na we have to think, we have to shift our perspective on how we view spaces ba nga. Ang bar is just a bar, but in Israel they use bar to teach you science. Diba?
Joy oy.
So it's just anywhere, any space. Basta na siya. Like Laisho na siya.
Oo, Laisho.
Shout out to Jason Morata.
New city member and
Traveling in tandem.wordpress.com.
Traveling in tandem.com and forever Laisho. Wala, basin na siya bagong website.
Muna siya,
Forever Laisho.
mo dyan siyang carcast guys kay basta mga shout out.
Ang pwede sa kung say shout out. Nung lagi ko sa unang shout out ni SM
Island Tea.
So patagi pang shout out.
Ang shout out ka rin kato si Traveling in Tandem, the company True Future Tropical Futures Forum. Okay, that's the event that we just came from.
The press con.
And it's something worthy of a shout out.
It's an event by Tropical Futures Institute,
And
Happy Garahe,
together with DTI, Region 7,
and the company.
the company Cebu.
Speaking of,
Cebu Finest.
nandito the Pizza Beaster who just celebrated their 2nd anniversary.
It's mga na adiyang cafes and dog spa.
I think
and
nabay
hotel.
food yeah. But it's a mix man.
Kanang mahogany place.
Actually na tong Cebu Finest guys. So
Okay lang
okay
yun.
na guys kay sleep is very
Nilalim mag
important.
1.8 million page views. So
Again.
What are they magic words? Okay lang yun. Magic words.
1.8 million, huh?
Anyway, to siya. And
Ginawas ako.
oh my god. Sorry sa mga listeners, sige namin katawa for like 30 seconds.
Mao-dyan siyang carcast. If you're wondering, asa na ito ubang mga faces sa carcast? Ambot lang. Asa
Amot
na sila?
lang. Spread out na kayo. Sa Team South, hindi na kayo mag-abot.
Si Rome, ambot lang. Nasa siya
Nang love yourself na
Love
siya.
yourself siya. Love yourself. So, I love yourself is a facility, no? It's to love yourself.
Different facets.
Love yourself si Boo. Sa Facebook.
Laro na sa
For
Facebook.
sure.
Yeah. I think they can explain their cause better than
us.
we could ever hope to explain.
Oh, wato si Kuan, si Hana katong also not necessarily frequent but mugawas. Nasa gawas
She is in the south of Cebu, aka Santander.
Building the Hacienda Frioles.
Although I think, was it last week? Ano, it was last week.
Hali na yung mga sili.
Amot na kung nahali na magiging sila. Oh no, it's closer.
So she's playing,
So you
not
need
playing,
to
she's doing
faster.
real life Farmville.
Yeah. Real life Farmville.
Farm Town. Parang farming games, yeah.
If you wanna know what she's doing, then listen to the latest episode of the Creator Life podcast featuring Miss B.
Why did she leave?
When she leaves, Cebu Content
Spoil na lang
Creators.
may kinanam dito sa Carcas.
Ngano is why?
Oh, yeah. Go. Shout out mo dito siya.
Shout out lang good. Yeah.
Creator lang.
Daghan siya kipang mention without name dropping.
Daghan siya names?
Dili names, di mo siya ng name drop. Pero na siya gi-mention ng mga peoples.
Koy.
So,
Actually, ay
Kinsa mo na? Lawan na, na-intriga na si Flip.
later, after this goes off.
ano lang, maminaw ta Flip. And then, mga reaction video.
Reaction video.
Kay audio raman. Audio raman na. Ato sa Spotify.
nakalamisan to.
Minaw ta, mag reaction video ta.
Reaction video. Wait,
I'm hungry.
I think no, wait. I have the episode on my phone.
Maglibak lagi.
Seriously,
Kita
I
mo
have
to,
the episode on my phone.
si Aldrin Core kay kuan siya.
Si Aldrin Core kay-
recovering core.
Quadruple ano.
Quadruple. Ayoy,
Ayoy.
saba.
Happy.
Dapat. Basta,
Let's just say he's doing a
nagpahulay
lot of
siya.
things.
Nagpahulay pa si Aldrin Core kay ganyan siya activities.
Nag-back pain
Oo.
siya pag ano,
Back
nag-back pain siya sa
stiff neck.
Oh.
high blood.
Sa pa to yung mga
Dito kami sa sasakyan. Pumunta kami anak.
sakit. Nag-call. Si Bovine. Si Bovine. Oh my God. 1.8 million. 1.8 million. Oh my God.
Eh, masismoso. Kasama ko dito.
Oh my god.
Wala, hindi siya kasali.
Shall we baguhin natin yung lingwahe natin ngayon
Bakit?
sa Carcast?
Magtagalog na tayo kasi
Magtagalog
buwan ng wika.
tayo. Buwan ng wika.
Tinatawanan na ako, ba't ako nagtatagalog?
Last month. Say month is Tagalog.
Dito kami sa kalsada
Beef,
sa kalsada.
papunta kami ng
Sikis.
UCC Clockwork sa may Bonifacio District.
Oh, yan yung BGC namin dito.
Hindi.
District lang.
Malayo sa katotohanan.
Hindi siya global
Tama.
city. District lang.
District lang.
Distrito
Kasi
lang.
hindi na po pay later.
Grabe yung trip.
Multilingual kasi itong Carcas na to.
Oh.
For the first time ever,
Konnichiwa.
nagtagalog kami.
Konnichiwa.
Fresh candy ang binibili mo?
Ano? Ano kaya yan?
Yung binibili ko dito?
Hindi namin alam.
Dried mangoes.
Pwedeng pas hindi po pay later.
Oh, grabe ang traffic.
Grabe.
guys.
Parang pupunta na lang tayo ng SM.
We need to
Hindi na tayo dadaan dito.
make
Tagalog na din sila.
flying cars.
Kakain na lang tayo ng Joe Eds doon.
Tara!
Na walang pera.
May walang pera dito.
Walang pera. Actually, busog pa ako. Pinakain kami ng PR Works. Shout out to PR Works.
Shout out to PR Works.
Pinakain kami ng empanada
At saka cookies.
Cookies. Anong specific
Oh.
cookies yun? Chocolate chip.
Chocolate chip
cookies
lang.
Bayad na naman.
Na
Wala akong natikman
Na
na
mataba.
raisin.
Bayad na
Oo.
naman.
walang raisin dahil chips. Chocolate chips.
Oo. Kasi parang
Hindi
kamukha lang
chocolate chip yung,
Ano?
yung raisin.
kamukha lang yung raisin at saka
Ano
yung
yun?
ano.
Fake cookie yan.
Oh, fake cookie.
Fake chocolate chip. Fake chocolate chip.
Oo. Yeah, siguro fake cookie. Kasi may raisin
Kasama
cookies
sa
naman eh.
Padala ako.
It's a doppelganger.
Doppelganger.
Kinokopya niya yung chocolate
Yung
chip.
mukha ng may Kokoichi pala
Oo.
dito.
Ano yan?
Kokoichi ba niya?
Ah,
Ano?
Oo.
Curry. Specialized in curry.
Ay, Thai Chronicles yan. Yung mga
Steph
curry na yan.
Ah.
Our destination is, I can see the destination.
Akala ko Dito tayo.
Ay,
Hindi, nasa sasakyan. May sasakyan yung kasama ko.
tanongin natin si 1.8 million.
Kotse
Oh,
siya.
dito ba tayo 1.8 million?
Oo. UC.
UCC nandun lang.
Bayanihan Flats. Oh, this is the
Yeah,
Bayanihan
UCC
Flats.
Coffee.
Makapark. Dito na ako magpark.
We can find Carlos'
Please keep
car
off fucking
here.
grass. Yan, nagmumura na ako. Oh my god.
Tapusin muna natin yung call ni Zero Finest.
Bago tayo lumabas.
Tapusin na natin yung carcass na ito.
Ako.
Ito pwede mga own.
Naubusan na ako ng Tagalog.
Di ko may ano dun, may Burger King.
Baka pakainin tayo ng
Mahal na
sides.
Burger King. Ay,
Mm.
kano sana diha? Ay, nagbibisaya ko. Di ako kumintindihan.
Sino kaya yun? Baka may
mag-decide muna kami guys. So end of the
Tara, asa ta?
end
Sige.
of the carcass.
lalabas muna kami.
Shout out.
Bye-bye.
Shout out na next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.